Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Tesla Model Y wheel cover. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a soft cloth to protect your wheels. Make sure your Model Y is safely parked on a level surface and in park before you begin. It's important to remember that these covers are secured by clips, not the lug nuts themselves, which simplifies the process significantly. This method ensures a smooth and damage-free removal and installation. Now, let's get to removing the old cover. Look for a small notch or gap on the edge of the wheel cover, usually near the valve stem. Insert your trim removal tool into this notch and gently pry the cover away from the wheel. You'll hear the clips disengage. Work your way around the entire cover, carefully releasing each clip until the cover comes completely free. Take your time to avoid scratching your wheel or damaging the clips. With the old cover off, it's time to install your new one. First, align the new wheel cover with the wheel, making sure the valve stem lines up with its corresponding opening on the cover. Once aligned, begin pressing firmly around the edges of the cover. You should hear distinct clicks as each clip engages. Continue pressing until the entire cover is flush with the wheel and feels securely attached, with no loose spots or gaps. After installation, give your new wheel cover a final check. Gently tug on the edges to ensure it's fully seated and all clips are securely engaged. This helps prevent accidental detachment while driving. Remember to regularly inspect your wheel covers for any signs of looseness or damage, especially after hitting potholes. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.